This wig came from Klaiyi Hair. All their information will be in the description box below. With the package, they sent me these really cute hair clips, this wig band, and then also this bag here with some more goodies. So inside here was a stocking cap, another wig band, some eyelashes, and a makeup brush. And this is what the wig looks like. So this wig is what they call a wear and go wig, meaning you're supposed to be able to just install it really quickly and go. As you can see, it has pre-cut lace here. The closure is 6 inches by 4.75 inches wide. So it's a little wider than your typical closure. As you can see, it has the clips on the side here. It also comes with this elastic band that is removable and a clip at the bottom. The wig also on the inside has these holes in here to make the wig breathable, so it's not like super hot on your head. And then also it comes with this rubber texture band around the bottom, which is supposed to help the wig from slipping off of your head. So even though it's supposed to be worn as a glueless wig, it's still very sturdy and offers a lot of protection. This wig is in 24 inches and is jerry curly, and the wig also comes a little bit pre-plucked in the front. You can see it a little bit better here on the mannequin head. I did pluck it a little bit behind the hairline, but the hairline itself is already pre-plucked. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. Because this is a glueless wig, I'm just wearing my stocking cap on my hair as normal. I'm not going to glue it down or anything. I'm taking my cream makeup now. I'm going to put that all over my cap at the top just to make the cap a little bit darker so it can blend with my complexion. This cap was a little bit too light, but if you have a darker cap, that would work really well also. You actually don't have to use a cap at all, but I just wanted something to cover my natural hair so that you can't see it underneath the wig. Also, something about wearing a cap like this is you may see like the thick band in the front, so you can cut that off. So I was going to take my lace tint and spray this lace. I did bleach the knots, by the way, but it ran out. As you can see here, nothing is coming out of my lace tint, and I'm sad. I have used it all up, and so now I need to go to the beauty supply store to buy some more. So in the meantime, I'm going to have to improvise, and I'm going to use my cream makeup again with my flat top brush and color the inside of the lace just so it can blend a little bit better. Like I said, this is a glueless wig, so I just want to make sure everything looks as smooth and seamless as possible. Absolutely love that this wig comes with an elastic band, but I personally don't need it. The wig fits just fine without using the band, and I feel like the band gets in the way for me personally. But you know, some people like to use the band, so I'm just going to take it off and plop the wig on my head. Now, you're really supposed to just be able to put the wig on like this and go, which you can, but I do want to style it some. Like, I want to do my baby hairs and I want to style the curls some to make them pop, but it's cute like this if you want to just wear it like this and go. I'm kind of like shaking it a lot so you can see how sturdy it is. Like, it's not gonna just fly off of your head or anything like that. Like, it's pretty freaking sturdy. I'm doing a lot of shaking here, but I'm gonna go ahead and style the hair a little bit more just to my liking. The first thing I'm going to do is do my baby hairs. The hair is already parted down the middle, so I'm just going to part out my baby hairs on each side of the middle part and style them as needed. Yeah, I did pluck this hairline a little bit more in the front just so, you know, doing my baby hairs would be a little bit easier. So this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to take some small scissors and just cut off a little bit of the extra lace on the corners, and that's because my natural hairline comes down really far, so it doesn't quite blend at right there because I have hair there. So I just went and cut the lace off. But if you don't have hair like right there, it'll work just fine for you. But we all know I have a weird freaking hairline, and you know, gotta be extra. Now I'm just using my small scissors again and cutting my baby hairs. I'm cutting it at an angle, and then I'm going to take my small, I'm so sorry for that, my small flat iron. I got this from the beauty supply store, and I'm just gonna curl my baby hairs upwards. And then I'm using gel, but you can use mousse if you want to. I just prefer gel, honestly. I'm using my gel and my edge brush, and I'm just going to what is it? Style my edges, I guess. Yeah, style my edges. Also, I just like to style my natural sideburns on the side. As you can see, I have naturally long sideburns, so I just want to style that as well, just to make my hair or make the hairstyle look a little bit more natural. So I do want to mention that this wig is very big head friendly. As you can see, the wig kind of covers my ears on both sides because I have kind of a smaller head. So what I'm going to do is take my scissors, and I'm actually going to cut the physical wig itself a little bit just so it can fit behind my ears. I personally like my wigs to fit behind my ears. I don't like it sitting on top of my ears. It's just more comfortable that way. You don't have to do this. It's completely optional. Depending on your head shape, you may not have to do this anyway. But me personally, I had to cut these tabs just a little bit, not a lot, just a little bit to get behind my ear. So I made my baby hairs a little bit too long, so I'm just going in with small scissors and cutting them at an angle. I just started doing this recently. It allows me to get like shorter baby hairs. Even though the longer baby hairs were cute, I just decided I want to go with the shorter ones because they look a little bit more natural. So I'm just taking these. I got these are actually nail cuticle scissors that I use to cut these. But yeah, so I just cut the baby hairs, and then I'm just restyling my edges. Now, while my edges are wrapping, I wanted to take my edge booster and just define the front a little bit. So this is my edge booster wax stick, and I'm just putting it all across the front of my hairline. I'm doing this part when my edges are like wrapped like this to keep the wig from shifting in the front because it is glueless. And now I'm going in with my hot comb, and I'm just smoothing it out. I probably should have used some of my Got To Be Free spray as well, but I didn't have it handy. But now I'm going to define the curls a little bit. I actually like how the curls look fluffy like this, but I did just want to take some of my water and spray the hair. And I also took some of my Cantu curling cream, this right here, and I put over my hair as well, just to define the curls. And I'm going to go in with this brush that I have here. It has like metal prongs or whatever, the brush that I'm using, and I'm just brushing through my hair from like root to tip, just to make sure, or not to make sure, but just to define the curls. So after that, the style is literally done. It took all of like 10 minutes to do, and it's only because I had to do my edges for the first time, and then I also had to like define the curls. But once you already like do your edges and your curls, you can literally like slip this wig off and on every single day and not have to worry about anything. So yeah, like I was saying, that this is a glueless wig. As you can see, I only use gel to install it. I didn't even use the Got to Be Free spray, which is new for me because I absolutely love using at least free spray. But you don't need any of that. This is designed to be wear and go, glueless install. It's supposed to be quick and easy, definitely beginner friendly. Like if you have trouble with wigs, I love that the lace is pre-cut, so I didn't have to cut any lace, and I'm terrible at cutting lace. So the lace is pre-cut and it's already cut like in a jagged motion. So it already looks natural. You don't even have to do anything like that. Um, and the hairline looks very natural as well. It's really cute and I love the curl pattern. I didn't have any issues with like tangling or shedding or anything like that. So the hair is definitely a vibe. But yeah, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. All the information for this hair will be in the description box as well. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Adios, till next time.